Hello fashionistas, today let's make this beautiful gown. Now you can style in two ways, with your belt or without your belt. And in my opinion, I think this looks better. What do you think? It looks better with the belt. Today we are going to learn how to make this. Very easy. It's very easy. You need your fabric. This fabric I used about 1.5 or 1.25. It wasn't really that much. So depending on your size, you just need at least 2 yards, most 2 yards. Okay, so here's my fabric. Is folded into two. It's folded both front and the back at the same time. Both front and the back are the same. So you take your length. Mine was very short, about 33 inches long. So for your armhole, you go in, or your chest line, you go in by 4 by 4. Okay, that will be your chest line at the side where your armhole, and then at the armhole part you go in by 10 or 9 is okay, or 10, and then you curve it from that place. Yeah, that's about it. That's the measurement. That is all. You just cut it out. That will serve as our armhole. This place will serve as an armhole, so you are going to cut it. Yeah, and then we divide the side. They cut the back side, so you have your front and your back. They are all the same. The measurements are the same. So here we have our dress. We are almost done. This is fabric from pieces. So on the chest line, you are going to be a full fold. First you fold the armhole. You're going to fold the armhole first, and then you're going to fold the chest line. Okay, depending on your size, you can use 10 for that chest line, and then you join the sides. That is it. This is a very easy style. If you have watched till this part, kindly like this, and tell me what you think about this style in the comments. Okay, follow this page for more fashion tutorials. So here we are folding in our armhole, so our work will be nice. And you fold in both armholes. We are folding the other one. You fold in the both armholes. Before you are going to fold in on the chest line, you use about 1.5 inch or 2.5 inch. Okay, here we go. We are done folding the armhole. So now we'll move to the chest part, where our rope will come out of. We are folding in about 1.5 inch, 1.5 inches. Yeah, kindly save this video so you can come back to it. This is a very easy tutorial. Its style is very good for the weather and everything. Just something free. Okay, so here we have joined everything. And then I used a Duchess fabric for my string. I cut about 2 inches, and the length was about 30 inches. I made it long because it will pass through the chest line, and it will serve as a sleeve as well. So you make it longer. The longer it is, the better. Okay, make it longer. It's better for it to be long than for it to be short. Okay, here I didn't have a safety pin to pass through my loop, so I used I improvised. Okay, I improvised. Don't forget to share for others to learn. This is not easy. This is not difficult. Okay, this is a very easy style that you can make. I made this in like 30 minutes. 30 minutes, and my dress was ready. Okay, so like this page, kindly follow, share this. Okay, and save it. So you can come back to it and learn it. Save it. Save it. Okay, so I'll see you in my next tutorial. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Stay blessed, stay safe. Okay, bye.